2025 Citroen CV2 is a fresh take on a compact, stylish urban car that blends modern design with practicality. On the exterior, it features smooth, flowing lines and a bold front grille that catches the eye. The headlights have a futuristic look, and the compact size makes it perfect for navigating tight city streets. Its design is sporty yet approachable, giving off a vibe of efficiency without sacrificing style. The car also boasts a range of color options, so it's easy to find a version that fits your personal flair. Inside, the 2025 CV2 doesn't disappoint. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a car of its size, with comfortable seats and a minimalist yet functional layout. The dashboard features a clean, tech-forward design, with a large digital display for all your media and car settings. The materials used are high quality, making the interior feel premium without being overly flashy. The car also comes with a solid range of tech features, including smartphone integration, a decent sound system, and safety features like lane assist and collision detection. In terms of performance, the Citroen CV2 is built for efficiency rather than raw power. It's equipped with a small, eco-friendly engine that's perfect for urban driving. The car is easy to maneuver, offering a smooth ride and excellent fuel efficiency. While it might not be a speed demon, it gets you where you need to go quickly and comfortably. Price-wise, the 2025 Citroen CV2 is quite affordable, especially when compared to other compact cars in its class. It's a great option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, stylish, and efficient ride. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or just need a reliable city car, the CV2 is worth considering.